Liam's theory. Uh, he's holding me at gunpoint to do this. So basically, there's an Earth. Should I plan this out? This is Earth, right? And then this is the sun. I think I'm just getting that now. Yeah, I am. Actually, no. This is the one of them. This is the other one, and this is. So these are the moons. What the hell? So it goes around like this. Oh, there's okay. And the moons go around like this. And each moon has a face to it. And they're all facing different directions, which is why you see the moon face. I think Liam might be on something. This one. This is the sun god Ra. And so this is the sun god Ra. Alright, yeah, there we go. And this is the sun god Green Day. Right? And the asteroid belt is actually all the 16 planets. And it goes like it goes like this. It goes in between all the moons and the suns and the Earth. And that's all the 16 planets. That's how they all move. And they're all little circles. Little spheres. And I just realized the cursor was on the sun god Green Day. So the school is right here, right? Yeah, it's right there. I'm just gonna keep that on the map so we know where it is. And then on the solar eclipse happens, right? It shines onto Peter's house. Which is why you couldn't see it at the school. Right? But, you know, there's a lunar eclipse too. Right? So when the lunar eclipse happens, is because this. So when there's one solar eclipse, hold on, there's one lunar eclipse too, because this is blocking the shadow of that. So you see this lunar eclipse, and then the moon is red. Actually, no, wait. You know why the moon's red? It's actually because the moon is always red. It just looks, because of the light of the sun. Because the suns are yellow. And when one of them's sleeping, they turn really dark green. So you can't see them. Yeah. Yeah. And then the moons also turn really dark green. I don't know why they do that though. It's really complicated, but if you know the science, trust me, it makes sense. I'm pretty sure that once every 3,000 years, the Earth turns at least once. At least. Two Earths. One is just, I'm pretty sure. No, wait. Ah, yeah, it is. Okay. So, 32,768 units away, there is another Earth. Don't get held up on the units are, it doesn't matter. And there is another Peter Griffin, but there is not another school. That is because only Peter Griffin and Liam can make clones. Very important information. And on the first Earth, you have this school, but on the second Earth, right, you have the Peter Griffin Institute of Green Day. You know, it's a very important place for many people. And so basically, actually, these are the only differences between the two Earths. And how people get from one people move between the Earths. I don't like you. So for people to go to the other Earth, it's just a tooth fairy. They pick a random person to move, but they're basically identical except for the differences. Green Day is Blue Day without the U or the E. And it's also blue. Even on its on. So you might notice something. And actually, technically, because of how the Earths actually work, the collision maps for both these systems make it so that every no, that's a 4. 6.
really complicated. Green Day is Blue Day.
Oh,
Peter Griffin used to
1,
3 minutes.
6,
Green
1,
Day
6.
is Blue Day.
Every um. Okay. Hold on, I'm trying to. You can erase. Damn. So every 18 quintillion, 446 quadrillion, 744 trillion, 73 billion, 709,551,616 units, the collision map overflows. So that means that it thinks that there's an Earth here, but the visual map is based on a 128-bit system, so it doesn't appear visually. Actually, there is no universe, and all those mini 16 planets are actually going so fast they look like all the stars in the sky, and they're also actually all radioactive. And there's a big shield around both of the Earths that protects them from the radiation. But the shield only works on the visual map, so any system that isn't these two is not protected by the radiation, but the radiation still works on the collision map. So you turn into a Fallout ghoul if you go on any Earth that isn't the first or second one. And then actually, I'm pretty sure there's one dude who lives on Neptunium. Actually no, he died in 2005. So, rest in peace. But right here is the color red. Right, what does red mean? Red means stop sign. So this moon is actually a stop sign for the sun. So the sun spends 5 seconds stopped at the moon when it aligns with it, just to make sure that each solar eclipse is at least 5 seconds long. I hope that this was helpful to teach you about what Liam thinks is actually the real universe, even though he's kind of an idiot.
Is this really complicated?